In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Kraken. So to do this, first just make sure that you have both your Coinbase and your Kraken open. And from there, what you want to go and do first is open up Coinbase. And go to My Assets and just find the asset that you want to transfer over to your Kraken account. For example, if I just want to use the little Ethereum I have here, I can click on my Ethereum. And then from there in the right menu, click Send Crypto. Now here you need to enter a wallet address. So to find this, open up Kraken, and if you're using the website, go to Portfolio and then Deposit. If you're using the app, just on any screen, click Transfer and then Deposit as well. And from there you can then find the cryptocurrency that you want to send. So I'm using Ethereum, so I need to search for Ethereum. So just select the one that you are sending from Coinbase, and then you need to select the network. Now for the network, basically with Ethereum, it usually is just the normal Ethereum network, same with Bitcoin and Solana, so that's what I'll use right here. So from there, go and copy your address and then open up Coinbase and paste in that address. And from there you can then click on the address and then here select the network. Here just make sure that you select the same network that you did on Kraken, which for me here is Ethereum, so I'll just select Ethereum. Then here choose how much you want to send, and then they will ask you where are you sending your, in this case, Ethereum. Now you're sending to an exchange, which is Kraken, so here just search for Kraken and select it. Then if it's your Kraken account, select I'm sending to myself, and otherwise enter the recipient's details. And from there click continue. Then here you have the overview where you can see where you're sending into, what network you're using, the send time and the fee. Here just click send now if everything is correct. And then now it's sending, in this case Ethereum, to my Kraken account. So just wait for this to finish up. Then it says you have sent this amount of whatever cryptocurrency, and it will then be gone from your Coinbase balance. And it's going to show up on Kraken. Now this can take a couple of minutes, so just wait for this to show up. But that's all you need to do to send crypto from Coinbase to Kraken. Now if you're sending a large amount, I would recommend sending a small amount first and then sending the rest, so see if it shows up, and if it does, then send the large amount just to be safe. But if you follow these steps and you got the correct cryptocurrency address with the correct network, so the same network on both, then it should show up. So now you know how to transfer from Coinbase to Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.